Hello, guys. Welcome to a new, fresh episode of Crypto Milad. Today it's 9 January and we're gonna discuss Bitcoin because I think Bitcoin is a critical zone that we need to discuss. Also, very important for the price of the altcoins and for the meme coins. So I think it's important to watch this because we're gonna do a good analyze about Bitcoin, a realistic one like we always do. And guys, I'm gonna also, of course, do a couple meme coins. I have two, three meme coins. What I think that I can show a couple bottom prices that I think where it's good to buy personally. So maybe it serves you, maybe not, but it will be a great show, guys. So first of all, guys, let's dive in the Bitcoin because that's the most important part at this moment, guys. So, guys, we start with the weekly chart of Bitcoin. And, guys, to be honest, I don't have so much good to say about Bitcoin at this moment of time, unfortunately, guys, because I think that we are in a zone that it doesn't look good, guys. It doesn't look good, the Bitcoin at the moment of time. And beside that, guys, like the last time, I was bullish. I was bullish when we were at 100, I think 101, 102K. But guys, that's like based on TA. It can always happen that the price goes the other side. And of course, you never know. It's a chance of probability. But just pure on TA, like on TA based look of the market, it was just looking great at that moment. So you could not stay out the market at that moment when it was at 101 and 102K. It was like almost impossible, guys, to stay out the market. But you saw that it went wrong. Like when we reached 99K, it was for me clear that this was a moment that you should actually go out Bitcoin, because I think when we went to 102K and we went under the 100K again, it was just not anymore so strong. It didn't look so strong anymore on the chart. So guys, there is always TA and there is always a price what can happen. You cannot control always the price where it goes. Like with Bitcoin, you saw it. It was very unexpected. Like nobody thought that at that moment we fall again. Everybody thought, okay, from this moment we're gonna go up again. But like I said, in trading, it's not always predicting the price. It's also very important that you act fast. I think that's even more important than guessing always the price, because you cannot never guess the price. You can never 100% say, okay, the price goes there or there. You can have a probability, a bigger probability that it goes one way or the other way. Just it's not 100%. So you need to have an edge, and I cannot say this enough. You need to have an edge, so a way of trading that in the long term you win more than you lose. So you are more profitable than you lose. So the probability of the chance to win, it need be always on your side. If it's not the case and you don't have a plan and you just do something here and there, I think it's a very dangerous market, and I think you can really lose your money in that way. If you do like that, I think then the best way is just to hodl, just to put something for the long term. Because if you are a trader, guys, you need to act fast. And in the trading, acting fast, it's just very important, guys. I cannot say it enough. It's just when you see something change, the structure change, you need to be fast. You need to go out fast, because if you don't do that, you're gonna go run again against yourself, because you're gonna see that you come in a zone that you think, okay, this now very you don't know anymore. Okay, should I go out or should I stay in? Because you already lose too much, and in that moment you're gonna sometimes, in many cases, lose more and more and more, and you don't gonna go out anymore because you already lose too much, and it doesn't feel good anymore to go out. So always have a plan, guys. Like I think a smart person without a plan, he will not reach the gains what maybe a not smart person with a plan can do. So guys, make your plan, have a trading plan. That's very, very important. It can be anything, but just have it. So guys, on the weekly charts, it doesn't looks good. It looks like if this weekly close stays at this price, it looks very nasty, guys. The charts. It's really, if it stays at this price, guys, if it closes under, let's say, at least under 94.95 this week on Sunday, on Monday, guys, we can pull back a lot. We can pull back to really low, like if you are lucky, low 80s, and if we are less lucky, even the 70. Okay, it's not anymore. It sounds a lot, guys. 70K for Bitcoin. It sounds not realistic at this point, but for me, it's a quite uh, big probability that it goes to 70K, guys. Because if I check the charts at the weekly, when we have a pullback from the top, it's always, normally it always go a minimum at least until the 50 EMA, guys. And the 50 EMA is normally a support on the weekly, and the 50 EMA at this moment it's at 70K. Maybe at the moment of when it's reached, it's maybe at 72, 73K, but that's really a probability. It's really possible, guys. Don't underestimate this scenario, please. And when that happens, guys, the altcoins and the meme coins will be crushed. So really watch near the very good the charts, and I will say, like, really make a plan and think good about it, because at this moment, maybe to go full all in inside the market, it's not really good. Like, maybe you can do the hodl the part. For example, I hodl the part what I have for long term, but the short term trading, I take it out at this moment, guys, because yeah, it's just too dangerous, guys. And I don't talk about Hopi, because Hopi, guys, it goes a lot of times against Bitcoin. Like, I remember in the summer when Bitcoin didn't very bad, Hopi was pumping as hell. And so beside Hopi, I think the most coins, they will drop a lot when Bitcoin goes 70K. Maybe Hoppy also, we don't know, but I think Hoppy normally does what he self want to do. It's not really related with Bitcoin. How I check the chart and compared it with each other. So guys, the weekly chart looks very nasty. I cannot make it better than this. Sorry. I want to make it. I want to give it a better bullish scenario, but it's just not a bullish scenario at the moment, guys. The 4 days, guys. The 4 days. Mm, let's see. The 4 days. If it's hold at 90K, guys. If we lose 90K, let's say 91K, 90K. If we lose that point, it can be a nasty drop, guys. It can go TA way, a TA view. It can go down. Of course, Bitcoin sometimes do the most crazy things. It does what he should, what he does, but like really TA, look at it. It can really go too easy to 80K, guys. There's the next support, 80K on the 4-day charts. And how you see the MACD, it's crossed. It's not a good sign, guys, when the MACD crossed. Let's see on the weekly. The weekly, it looks like the MACD also gonna cross to the downside. The daily, yeah, we are a long time ago crossed the daily. Guys, this the only thing what looks a little bit good on the 4-day. It's the CMF what's also still going a little bit down. So actually, guys, the chance is a big TA in a TA way that that we're gonna have more downside, guys. I cannot make it different at the way how I look the charts. Of course, it can always tomorrow pump in once to 105K, but I mean the probability at this moment it's bigger that it doesn't. Let's go to the 4-day, 4-hour charts, guys. See what the 4-hour charts, it looks so nasty, guys. We are under all the moving averages. The only support what we have left, it's a little bit at this point of 93, 91K. This is the only support, guys. When we lose this support, uh, It looks so bad, guys. It looks like we can easily go to the 80 or the 70K. This is let's go to the 1 hour. Let's see what the 1 hour shows up, guys. The 1 hours also looks very nasty. Maybe in 2 hours we can have a little dead cat bounce because we get the MRI 9 in less than one. I think 1 hour we get the MRI by 1 hour, and yeah, exactly 1 hour. We are now at the warning candle. Maybe we get a dead cat bounce until maybe 94, 95, and from there we go more down. That's a big probability, even if we get it at can bounce. But the chance is big that the next hour maybe we get a couple candles, a 1 to 4 candle upside, and from there we go down again. So guys, I think this is enough for Bitcoin. Let's go to the couple meme coins. What I want to discuss with you guys. So, guys, let's start with Landwolf because I think that's a nice meme coin. To I had also a couple suggestions about it and questions about it. Guys, Landwolf. Let's go to the 4 day charts. The 4 day charts, guys. Landwolf is already under the 20 EMA. It means that when we reach when we are under the 20 EMA, guys, I think the next support it's on this point on the 50 EMA, and the 50 EMA is around 112. So we are now at price 139. Let's say 112. There is the support. Where's the next support? And if it comes in, let's say 12 days, then we have an MRI 9. So if it's bottom on 12 days around this price, it will be a perfect buy for me. Let's go to the 1 day charts. The 1 day charts, it looks not so good, guys. The next support, what we have, it's around around 301, and that's from now still a drop of, let's say, 25% drop, and then the next big support, it's at 407. This red line, what you see here, guys, that's the next support. And the rest looks very bad. The CMF looks bad. The RSI looks bad. It's really going down. It's already went down 100% from the high, because it was like 303 and we are now at 30114, more than 100%, 110%. We went already down with Landwolf, guys. Landwolf, I expect a very good future for Landwolf, because I think this coin, guys, it have a lot to come when the Bitcoin price will go up again, and when the market it's a little bit more stable. I think Landwolf will be great, guys. The next coin, what I want to discuss, guys, with you, it's let's see, Pepe. Pepe also, it is at a great buy moment, actually, because if you go to the weekly chart, guys, I think from 1 0, I think it's a great buy point, and it's even lower now at this point. And guys, I think if you play it in the 1 month to 6 months time frame, I think this is a good buy moment, because I think from this point, guys, it can of course go a little bit down, but the upside it's a lot higher than the downsides. And that's what I like, guys. When the upside it's like 4 times higher than the downside expectation. So I think, guys, this is a good moment personally to buy some Pepe, because this coin it has its bounces, like you see, it had always its bounces, and I think it's not finished with this coin yet. I think there is still believe in this coin from the community, and I think this coin can from this point easy go 3 or 4 times up. The next coin, guys, what I want to discuss is Dasha. Dasha, guys, it's also going down, but I think it's a little bit too early to buy Dasha. I am interested in Dasha at this point, at the price of 4 cents. Between 3.5 cents and 4.5 cents, I'm quite interested in Dasha. I think from 4.5 cents, from 5 cents, 4.5 cents, I start to buy Dasha in, and if it's go lower, I will buy more, because this coin, guys, I think it will make another pump, and the next pump, I think it will be even bigger than the previous pump. I expect when we're gonna pump from, let's say, from this point already, from this price, I think we're gonna go have a 200 or 300%, so three times the money in, I think, in a time frame of 1 or 2 months. So let's see how that's gonna play out. So Dasha also is on my radar. What also is on my radar, guys, is MAT. This coin, it's went already quite down, and we are in the 4 day almost at the 7. Next week is the MRI 8, the warning MRI buy, and the 4 days after it's the MRI 9. So I am thinking that soon the bottom will be reached with MAT, and let's see how far that can come, guys. Let's see how far this can come. Let's go to the daily charts of MAT. Yeah, there is like good support at this point at the 1.5. So that's a little more drop. Let's see how much drop that is from this point. It's a 50% drop more. So that's also a good buy for me actually. So let's see SPX 6900. By the way, it's also dipping down. Let's see how far this can go. Let's see how far this can go, guys. Because I think when it's reach around the $1, I think it's a good buy. I think it will not come under the $1 SPX 6900. But guys, everything also depends on the price of Bitcoin. Let's see where the price of Bitcoin holds. Because, like I said, the price of Bitcoin at if it's hold at 80K, the damage will be okay. It will not be and a fast bounce up. But guys, when we go to the 70K, and the probability is here that we can go to the 70K, a lot of people don't expect it at this moment. I don't want to be extra bearish. I don't want to create FUD, but in the way how I look the chart, guys, it's really possible that there is a probability that we go down. Maybe not. I don't talk about this week that we go down, but maybe in the upcoming weeks we really can reach this price of 70K. I hope it's not the case. I hope it's not the case. But in the trading, guys, you cannot hope. You should trust on something. And guys, what can I trust more than TA in the end? That's the only thing what we should in the end trade on. You cannot trade on your feeling, gut feeling, I think, with trading, because maybe it goes good once, maybe it goes good twice, but in the long term, I think you should have some plan. And in my TA way, looking at this moment, the probability is just too big that we're going to go down with Bitcoin. Of course, I hope we're going to get a crazy bounce of 10 or 20K, and we are at 110K by tomorrow or next week. But I just don't see it happen, guys. At this moment, there is a lot of resistance. There is, we are at a couple time frames under all moving averages. What's really making me a little bit worry in the chart. So let's see how this plays out, guys. Tomorrow, guys, I'm back with the Friday episode. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys. I see you tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching, and let's see, guys. Hopefully tomorrow it looks the charts looks a little bit better than today, but today it looks nasty, guys. It looks very nasty. So, guys, have a great day, fantastic day wherever you are. Protect your bags, and hopefully I see you tomorrow, guys. Bye bye. Ciao, Crypto Milad.